Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep the eyes closed, join the hands at back of the body. You can interlock the fingers. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up toward the ceiling. Push head and trunk as low as possible. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Generate urja, make them warm. Place warm hands over the eyes and face. Blink the eyes few times. Let the urja enter into the eyes. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. And let's start with some light exercise. Inhale, raise both hands up. Stretch the upper body upward. Exhale, twist the upper body to the one side. Look back, align chin with the shoulder. Keep pushing the knee forward. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time, both the sides. 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, back to center, and complete onto the second side. Inhale, come back. We'll do 360-degree rotation at the waist. Bring both hands onto the knees. Deep inhale. As you deep exhale, bend down. Try to bend from the lower back and circle the upper body towards one side. As we inhale, come back up. You can close the eyes and feel the stretches to the other side. Exhale, bend down. So elbows alternatively, one will be fully folded, one will be completely straight. About 4 circles in one direction, then 4 circles in reverse direction. Feel how the stretches are circling around the waist. So deeply inhale, deeply exhale in the activity. And do not forget to reverse the direction. Okay, once you complete rounds 4 and 4, then relax, breathe in and out normal couple of times, feel the body internally, and stand up. Separate feet about 3 feet apart. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. As we exhale, bend sideways. Keep looking up through the palm. One hand will go toward the ceiling, one go toward the floor. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Slowly, steadily transition to the sides. Do not jerk the body and do it full awareness to avoid the injury. Come back. We will do one more time. Try to do a little bit more. Listen to the body first and as much as our body allows. While keep looking up. Inhale, come back, and we'll complete onto the second side. Come back and separate the feet even further apart at the maximum that we can. Inhale, extend both hands sideways in a star position. Exhale, grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90-degree up. Look up through the palm. Twisted triangle. Inhale, come back to the second side. Inhale, come back. We'll do one more time. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Now bring both hands at the lower back. Thumbs on a sacrum. Deep inhale. Arch backward. Look into the back wall. We can push thumbs inward. Feel the full compression at the lumbar area. Extension at the lower abdomen area. Exhale. Come back. Straighten the trunk. Inhale again. As we exhale, bend forward and down. We can use little pause, try to push head and trunk as low as possible while keeping the knees straight. Inhale, come back up, and let's move in front of the mat. So as usual, first two Surya Namaskars will be further warm up. So keep full awareness within the body for each of the pose. And after those two repeated mantras, Surya Namaskar, then we will just go to the normal one, into the Samasthiti. Roll the shoulders back and down, and let's begin.
ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Let's check up the feet, thighs, hands, legs, the whole body. to increase the activities within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse, more breathing rate, more blood circulation. Do some yogic jogging, whichever way you like. Some twistings, and lay down in Shavasana for more relaxation. Complete rest, full relax. Let all the body parts, muscles, joints be on their own on the gravity. Do not try to hold them. With closed eyes, keep awareness within the body. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out few times. Then let the breath become completely normal, natural. Feel the body weight and notice how the weight transfers to the floor. Let's scan the body internally to see what is happening within the body, moving the awareness body part by body part from head to toes and toes to the head, making the round trip. Within 3 minutes, try to pay full attention, recognize any kind of relaxation, sensations, heartbeat, pulse, vibrations, blood circulations, anything, everything, whatever we can feel at each part for 3 full minutes and starting now. Last 10 seconds to bring the awareness back to the head. Bring feet together, squeeze and release the toes a couple of times. Move them onto side by side. Also turn the head both the sides. Then give body a big stretch, Yastikasana, stick pose. Feel the full stretches, push all the toes together, forward, hands in opposite direction. Feel the body is elongated, couple of inches along with the floor. Full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, elbows straight, palms facing down. Hold at the knees, heels will be at the hips. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, drop both knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Push the palms into the floor and feel some very good twist, good stretches at the spine. Do everything with closed eyes. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Do the other side. Knees on the floor towards right, head towards left. Feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up. Exhale. Drop the folded legs onto the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Inhale, back to center. To the other side. Legs towards right. Head towards left. For a few seconds. And bring entire body towards right. Stay on right for 2 more breaths in and out. And gently, with help of the elbows and palms, bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Continue with closed eyes. We will do 3 Bhramari Pranayam. Okay, once you're done, bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Relax shoulders. Keep the back straight. Deep inhale. Chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit pressure on the palms. Generate more urja, make them more warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark under the palms to let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes. Gently massage the eyelids. Spread the fingers apart. Slowly slide the hands over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part of the body within to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Good morning, everybody. Jai Shri Krishna. Happy Wednesday. बुधवार का दिन शुभ मंगल हो. Going to let you guys unmute so we can say hi and bye. Greet everyone to everyone. All are unmute.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ
જય
બધાને.
શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી
જય
કૃષ્ણ.
Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna.
શ્રી
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.